Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your username in chess.com. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm logged into my account and I'm on the main page, and here we need to locate our account settings. Now you can either click on your account or go to chess.com, hover over it and click profile, or you can even go to settings and click on all settings. Whatever you do, if you go to your username, you will need to click on edit, and that will bring you to the same settings page. Now, once you're here, as you can see, you have all your account settings here. You can set up your first name, last name, everything that you need regarding your account, and you have your username here, which you can just click to change. Once you click on change, you can change it only once every 90 days. So all you have to do from here is just locate your username, well, change tab, and here you need to enter your username. You can enter whatever you want. I'm not sure if everything is allowed. You might need to uh, play around some certain limitations. For example, there are probably some forbidden words which they will not allow you to save, and there might be a character limit. However, pretty much what you need to do and all you need to do is just get here and click enter your new username, click save, and that's it. Again, keep in mind, once every 90 days is the max that you can change your name. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So to pretty much just recap, go to the main page, go to settings, click on all settings, then go to your profile settings here at the top left, click on change username and enter your new username, click save, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.